How to redeem Hollister gift cards or use Hollister gift cards online. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. Today in this video, I am thrilled to guide you through the process of redeeming your Hollister gift card online. So make sure you watch the entire video until the very end, and remember to subscribe our channel by clicking on the subscribe button. And additionally, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you never miss any of our exciting upcoming uploads. So let's kick things off by launching a new web browser and navigate to the URL located at the top of your screen and type www.hollisterco.com and hit enter on your keyboard. And you will find yourself on the official website of the Hollister, which is designed to perfection. Ensure that you're logged into your account, and once you're all set, proceed to select an item that catches your eye. For instance, I'll go to the shop women's, and I'll select this crochet style tube top. Here you can select the size, quantity, and even colors and texture as well. Now simply click on add to bag, and when you're ready, hover over to the shopping cart situated at the upper right hand corner. Click on view bag option in the pop-up window that appears. After you've selected all the products you wish to purchase, head over to the checkout button positioned on the right hand side of the screen. When it's time to select a payment method, opt for the gift card option and enter the account number of your gift card, which can be found at the back of your Hollister gift card. Double check the information for the accuracy and then click on apply gift card to finalize your order and redeem your gift card with the purchase you are making from the Hollister. That's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial has been informative and beneficial for you. If you found it helpful, do give us a thumbs up and stay tuned as I will return shortly with more engaging tutorial video like this. Thank you for tuning in and watching this tutorial.